Welcome to DIY with Aurea and the Blue Conte. Ready, let's make some magic, Jay.
Welcome to the 12 days of Christmas, and this is day 10, all about Christmas trees. This is a really quick project. I have these Christmas ornaments. I'm going to be taking out that little part that sticks out, and I'm going to be removing all 4 of them because I have 4 of them, and I'm going to be using these for the legs on this beautiful tray. And my dear friends, this video is part of an open collaboration called 12 Days of Christmas. It is being hosted by Brenda Rustic and Lace DIY along with Crafting in Mimi's World. These are such talented creators. Make sure to visit them. I also have a playlist down below. Make sure to go ahead and visit them for more inspiration. We are continuing with the 12 days of Christmas, and of course this is day 10 and it's all about Christmas trees. I'm also going to be leaving down below a link to my videos, the ones that I've already participated, which is the Ornament Snowman Christmas song. If you missed it, I am hoping that you go ahead and check it out and let me know what you think. Now, once I remove that little plastic from all of these ornaments, then I'm going to use this as the leg. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this tray around, and then I'll start gluing these ornaments on all 4 corners using them as legs. I am so in love with this little project. This was a really quick project, yet so beautiful. So once I'm done adding the legs to all 4 corners, I'm going to go ahead and start decorating this beautiful tray. I went to a garage sale several years ago, and they had these beautiful glass Christmas trees. Look at, they're very heavy and they are so absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead, place them up here, and then all I'm going to be doing is adding some snow. I purchased this at Dollar Tree a long time ago. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add the snow into the tray. I'm gonna make sure that it's all evened out, and then this will be it, my dear friends. This is so beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I purchased this at Dollar General. It was on sale and I paid $1. That was last year. So I have some more wood beads. I'm going to be creating the leg. I'm going to be gluing them with hot glue. Once all of these are glued in place, then I came in with the silver metallic acrylic paint, and I'm giving it 3 entire coats. And I am only going to be painting the upper section of this riser. I went to Temu and I purchased so many stencils, and this is one of them. I'm gonna go ahead and place it right up here, and with the same white chalk paint, my makeup brush, which now is a paint brush because I think this is absolutely, oh my god, I love working with this brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and start filling this stencil out. I love creating little risers and trays and centerpieces for this season because you can add so many things on top of it, and you could create some type of scenery, and it always looks absolutely amazing. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts of this one. I have this cutting board also from Dollar Tree. I also have some wood beads, and I am going to be gluing them as the legs. And I'm going to go ahead and use this antique wax, and of course I'm going to be watering it down and using a wipey. I'm also going to be using another stencil from Timo. Look at how gorgeous this stencil is. And I'm going to be using the same technique as before. And let's go ahead and lift it up and look at how nice it looks. This is so beautiful. So I took this ribbon, I folded in 3, of course. I glue it, and then I'm going to be creating the handles with this ribbon. And I'm also going to be using some hot glue and thumbtacks to add it to the riser. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to join my crafting family by hitting that subscribe button. And to all my amazing supporters and subscribers, I can't thank you enough. Your encouragement means the world to me, and I wouldn't be here without you. And as you can tell, I went on and I distressed this piece, and this will be it for this project. And here is the final review. I hope you enjoy it. For this next project, I also have this cylinder, and I'm going to be adding some more snow inside of it. And once that snow is already in there, I have this beautiful flock tree. I'm going to be placing it right in the inside. And I also have this black deer. This I purchased at Dollar Tree, but of course I went outside last year and I painted it with Rust-Oleum black paint. So I decided to take the tree out, and then I am going to be adding some fairy lights. So I was looking at it and I'm like, yes, it needs some lights. And also I am creating a lot of these cylinders because that's how I'm going to be decorating my house for this Christmas. And I am also using some rhinestones, which I should have added the rhinestones to this cylinder before I started decorating it. But nevertheless, it's still going to look good. And it wasn't that difficult to add these rhinestones. And also guys, once this is put in place, all you do is just come with the scissors and cut the axis. It's really easy to cut, no big deal. And this was another simple project. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.